What's going on, everybody? It's T Bizzle here. So, as y'all know, I'm out here headed to Africa, man. And my flights got canceled because one of the planes got delayed. So instead of flying out of DC, I had to take another flight and fly out of Chicago. So here I am in Chicago, trying to make it. I got like 30 minutes to get to the plane while it's boarding. So yeah, this is what it's looking like.
It's me, my big in Tanzania. You what up, man?
What's going on, everybody? It's T Bizzle here with Passport Action. I just wanted to show y'all real quick what the ATMs outside of the airport look like. So hold on. When you arrive, I guess you're gonna arrive at Terminal 3, and when you walk out, you'll walk over here, and you'll see these mobile ATM machines that you can exchange money at. And the machine cost me about $5, and the rate ain't too far off. So yeah, I just wanted to show y'all real quick. Stay tuned. What's going on, everybody? It's T Bizzle here. Y'all already know what's happening. I'm at my hotel in Dar Es Salaam, Tanzania. You know what I'm talking about? I'm in Africa. So yeah, man, I just got to my hotel. I'm gonna go ahead and show y'all around how I'm be living out here in Tanzania until I go to Zanzibar. Well, this is my hotel. I got this hotel the whole time I'm here anyway, so I might leave some of my luggage here and take my other luggage to Zanzibar. Take some outfits and some of my stuff with me over there. It's another island nearby, so yeah, I'm gonna still have this spot too. So I'm gonna have 2 spots in 2 different locations. You know what I'm saying? But hold on, let me show y'all. All right, so check it out. This is the door right here, right? This is where we come in at. Show y'all how I'm living out here in Africa. Okay, got a little safe, little iron stuff down there. A little safe, little iron stuff down there. Some cabinets. I don't know. I ain't even check up there. Some stuff I'll probably hide, like dirty clothes and these cupboards and stuff. Oh, I got a little fridge in there. I didn't even see that. I could put something in there. Ain't nothing in there. I'm gonna have to fill it up. Go buy me some stuff from the store. Bathroom. This is dope. You know what I'm saying? It's cool. You know what I'm saying? That's how I'm living. That's how I'm living in Africa, P. Let me see what you got. You got the toilet, and you got the other little toilet, the little spray thing. You know what I'm talking about? Yeah, man. Shower head up there. Y'all see it? Show y'all what's going on in here. What's that? Oh, what's that? A king size bed or something like that? That look like a king size to me. That's a king size, okay. 2 little chairs right here. A little action. Little TV, I don't know what that is. Maybe a 40-inch or something. I don't know. Little chair or something. I don't know. Chair look kind of beat up though. I don't know. I don't think I'm sending that one. I don't know. You know what I'm saying? But hold on. Over here, see, they said the tide over there, you can't even see, but this is always filled with water too. See, this area that I'm staying in is called Oyster Bay. So I guess I'm assuming it's a lot of oysters probably get washed up there. Like, y'all can't even see that dude out there. But I can see him. He out there picking up stuff out the lot. And he's probably picking up oysters. I think the dude just told me around 4 o'clock the tide comes back, and then that whole area right here is filled up with water. But over there, it's a beachfront type ordeal over there too. They got the 2 pools right here, look like. I don't know if y'all can even see that. And it looked like it's a bar right there. And another one over there. Y'all can't see it. I'm gonna walk around the property and do some filming. Yeah, he taking waters over there. Where the dude? Y'all can see him? I don't know if y'all can see him or not, but he taking water. So it's like a little bar area over there. And then it's another bar area or something back that way. Then with the 2 pools. I mean, it's a dope little spot, man. It's dope, man. You know, I can appreciate it. I'll be able to appreciate the spot. You know what I'm saying? I think it's close to a lot of the nightlife. So we're gonna find out, man. This is my first time here. I'm just getting here. I just wanted to go ahead and show y'all the room and stuff while it's still presentable. How I came in. I wanted y'all to see how it was when I came in. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, man. Oh yeah. Uh-oh. I brought my no, I did. No, I did. Oh. Man, I was nervous coming through there, man. I was nervous coming through the airport, man. That's a whole nother story, but I'm gonna just tell y'all a part of it. Like, they was on me about my cameras, right? Because I got one of my bags is like filled with cameras. And they was on me. They was like, some cameras. And then I already heard it. You know what I'm saying? You can't really, you gotta have certain requirements to fly your drones and stuff like that. So I don't know, man. I was like, oh man, they searched my bag too, but they ain't even put a drone out the bag. You know what I'm saying? I heard stories where they held on to the drones, people drones, until they came back with certain paperwork or something like that that you just can't get. So I was like, oh man, I took the chance, and it looked like I made it cool and clean so far. So yeah, man. So hopefully y'all get some good drone footage from me on this trip. You know what I'm saying? She was like, what is in there? Cameras? I was like, yeah, I got some cameras, a little bit of everything. She was like, what you gonna do with all them cameras? I was like, I'm gonna shoot some photos and some videos and stuff like that. She was like, here, take that and go over there. And I went over there, and then that's when she was like, search his stuff. And then it's crazy because even my hotel, man, they go through so much stuff to get in here. Like, I gotta get searched every time to come into the hotel. It look like how I gotta get searched to come through the hotel, and I'm the customer. It look like I gotta get searched. So I don't know if that's gonna be every time, or was that a first time, or what. I don't know. But even a taxi driver coming up in here, they ran a little mirror up underneath the car and stuff like that. I asked my man, I was like, is it safe over here? He was like, yeah. He was like, this is a safe city. Safe. You in a safe haven. This is the safe city. So I'm like, all right, but I mean, they take extreme precautions. You know what I'm saying? My man made me walk through a metal detector to come in the hotel trying to check in. I'm like, damn, I had to pull the stuff on my pockets. I'm like, I got to do this every time? I hope not. Because that'll be frustrating. I ain't gonna lie. I guess security, you know what I'm saying? You want your place to be secure. If they feel that that's what you got to do to make it secure, then, you know what I'm saying? I guess go ahead and do it. I'd rather have it secure than not. You know what I'm saying? I'd rather have it secure than not, but yeah, man. But anyway, peace out.